Hi, here's the teacher Alberto Beni. Today we are going to dive into something very good, right? Hi, welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to learn about fruits in English. Let us suppose that we are at a grocery store or at a supermarket and we find the sales representative that speaks English. How could we deal with it? Carry on. Until the end of this lesson, you will be able to get by with this. Let us get it started. Banana, avocado, avocado, mango, mango, papaya, papaya, apple, apple, kiwi, kiwi, lemon, lemon, orange, orange, cherry, cherry, strawberry, strawberry, guava, guava, pear, pomegranate, pomegranate, blueberry, blueberry, grape, grape, watermelon, watermelon, pineapple, pineapple. Now let's conjugate a verb to eat in the present simple. I eat, I eat, you eat, you eat, he eats, he eats, she eats, it eats, we eat, they eat. Notice that we add s for the third person is singular. Now let's conjugate the same verb in the past simple. I ate, you ate, he ate, she ate, it ate, we ate, they ate. Notice that the past doesn't change, right? Now let's conjugate a verb to like in the present simple. I like, you like, he likes, she likes, it likes, we like, they like. Now let's see in the past simple. I liked, you liked, he liked, she liked, it liked, we liked, they liked. Now let's conjugate a verb to drink in the present simple. I drink, you drink, he drinks, she drinks, it drinks, we drink, they drink. Now let's see in the past simple. I drank, you drank, he drank, she drank, it drank, we drank, they drank. She is married, and let's take some example then. Mary likes to eat orange. Mary likes to eat orange. Gavin don't like mango. Gavin don't like mango. Monkeys eat bananas every day. Monkeys eat bananas every day. He drinks grape juice today. He drinks grape juice today. My father ate apple with my mother yesterday. My father ate apple with my mother yesterday. We like to drink strawberry cold drink every morning. We like to drink strawberry cold drink every morning. Rita and I drank watermelon juice before eating banana. I don't like avocado, but I like pear. I don't like avocado, but I like pear. Orange is sweet and lemon is bitter. Orange is sweet and lemon is bitter. She liked the pineapple she ate on Saturday. She liked the pineapple she ate on Saturday. Thanks for having this lesson from teacher Albert Benny, and this is my social media. And that is all for today. Let's call it a day.